Hello everyone and welcome back to Shubhangi Coding in Magical World. So today we will see how can you get really good theme designs, or I can say how can you download the themes for in the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, for the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started without any further delay. So first of all, open the Microsoft PowerPoint. After that, see. And one more thing, it will work at any type of laptop. Okay, if it will work at any type of laptop. Okay, if you're having Windows 7 or Windows 10, it will just work at both. Okay, so now what you have to do is just come at the file, click at new, and here you can see these. So here you can see the office .com templates. So here you can just select the templates which you want to download. So there are so many there are so many good templates you can use for your presentation. Like let me show you. Is that yeah? So this is also really much a good presentation you can use. This is also really cool. So you can just click at this download button and it will be downloaded. So you can see, and you can use these for your for making PPT, or I can say presentation. Okay, and this is really good, right? So you can download so many of them. You're having so many there. You can use this lists, right? So you're having so much of them. So you can choose any. Okay, entertainment. After that, you have the industry. Yeah. After that, you are having so many of the templates. You're having the sample templates. So sample templates. So you can use this one also. This is also really good. Let's come at new. Okay, and okay, so you can see, you can get so many templates and you can use them. Like this one is also really good. So let me just download this one also. Okay, so that's been download. Okay, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Make sure your browser is not offline mode. Try to download the template again later. I think there's some issue. Or let me just try again. I just forgot where it goes. I think in the sample themes. Uh, Here, I just forgot where I'll get that. I think in the industry I can get them. Okay, I need to just search. Okay, in the extract. Okay, so in the abstract also you're having very good themes. Okay, which you can use. Yeah, guys. So that was the video. How can you get very good themes, and how can you download the themes on Microsoft PowerPoint, and thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was helpful, then please just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share it. And bye bye everyone, see you soon.